Hello everyone. So we are here for the hackathon session and we are working on Blockly beginner coding. In the last class, we have performed few codes like we have completed 6 levels in unit 1 and today we will continue the basic level. Now I will share my screen. I will let you know again how we can log in and how we will reach out to the page. So I'm going to share my screen for the login process. Okay. So we are here. What we need to do is in the URL section, I will type icode.org. Okay. After typing icode.org, you just need to click on enter and you will reach out to this page. Here, what you need to do, you all are having your login ID and the password. So you just need to click on login. And when you will scroll down, you have to provide your mail ID. Okay. And you have to click on send validation code. You will go back to your mail ID. Just refresh your mail ID. Fine. Just copy this code, or validation code. Go back to the page and paste here. Fine. So sorry. Now click on submit validation code. When you will click on enter, you will reach out to this page. You just need to click on start learning. Fine. Now what we need to do, we have completed 6 levels in the last class of basic 1. Okay. Now I again click on this go button. Here you can see I'm on level 1. I will reach out to level 7. I was trying to perform course, that is why I'm on level 7. But before this, we have to revise our previous projects. So what we have done in the last project, we will start from the level 1. In the level 1, we learn how my Dev can move in the forward direction. Okay, like how many steps my Dev needs to move. And the steps we can select from here. We just need to simply place the block. So we will choose the drag and drop option. Here I have performed Dev step 3. When I will click on run, I'm having 3 stars, right? So all these 3 stars, we get to know that how we will get all these 3 stars, like if we will perform the correct steps, like I'm choosing only one block. So it is showing me one by one. If I will run all the same steps, like my Dev is moving only 3 steps, so it is showing 3 by 3. And when I will complete the level, then I will get the 3rd star. When you will click on this green button, you will reach out to the next level, the level 2. Here again, we were just simply moving Dev step 5. So we have learned like how my Dev can move. Okay. In the 3rd level, we have learned how my Dev can turn in the left direction or in the right direction. For now, I can see that this is the back of my Dev. Okay. Because in the front, there is only one glass where I can see the face of my Dev. So this is the back of my Dev. So the front will be in this direction. If the front is in this direction, then this will be the right side and this will be the left side, right? The energy source is here. So I need to turn right. That is why I have placed turn right block. Then my Dev will move 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Okay, so I have mentioned here. Now, I scored again 3. Okay, so in the level 3, we have learned like how we can turn right in right direction. Now, what we are doing is, if my Dev is facing to this side, because this is the back of my Dev. So this will be the right, this will be the left. So now what I'm doing, I'm turning left, then I'm moving 4 steps to collect the energy source. Fine. Now, in the unit 5, what we are doing, we have to turn at this point, right? But before reaching to this point, we have to move few steps. Then after this point, we have to turn. Then we will again move to collect this energy source. So what I'm doing, I'm moving 4 steps because I can see this is the back of my day. So the front will be in this direction. So I'm simply moving 4 steps. Then what I have done, I have mentioned turn left. When he will turn left, then he will collect the energy source after moving 3 more steps. So I have mentioned here. Now in the level 6, what we have done, we are doing the same. Like in the level 5, we were moving from this place to this, then we are collecting energy source to this place. Now we are moving this, and then we will collect the energy source in this direction, right? So it is totally reversed. Now my Dev is moving 3 steps, he is turning right, then he will move 4 steps, right? Now, any one of you are having any doubt in these 6 levels which we have performed in the last class? Any of you? Bele? Dalton? I hope you are not having any doubts. So now what we will do is we will perform the level 7 code, okay? Now, because I can see this is the back of my day, right? So the front will be in this direction. My energy source is in this direction. So what I need to do is first I have to turn. Now, in which direction I will turn? Will I turn in the left or will I turn in the right direction? Any one of you would like to answer? Hello, Sultan. Am I audible? Sorry, but you are not audible, dear. Okay, if any one of you want to write it down in the chat, your answer, you can do that as well. For now, we will continue. I can see this is the back of my Dev, so the front will be in this direction, right? So this is the right side. So what I will do, I will turn my Dev in the right direction. Right, good, Selton, very good. So I will select this block, the turn right. Sorry, Selton, actually your mic is not working. That is why I'm not able to hear you. But I have received your message. Good answer. Now, if I have turned right, then how many steps I need to move? How many steps I need to move? Again, an answer from Salton. 3 steps. Good, Salton. So I will mention here 3. Okay. Now, what I need to do, Salton? Now, I will again turn myself. Okay. If I'm moving to this direction, now in which direction I will move? I will move in the left direction now. Okay. Okay, you have again said me turn left. Good one, Salton. Hey, Adam and Ballet, would you like to answer? Now we need to move 2 more steps. Okay. When I will click on run, yes, we got all 3 stars. And don't think that every time we will get the 3 stars. Sometimes we will be having difficulty to collect all 3 stars. Okay, maybe we will get only 1, maybe we will get 2 stars only. Now, what I will do now? How many steps I will move to collect the front one energy source and the back one energy source? Do I need to turn? Do I need to turn? No. Okay, Valley. Fine. So what we need to do? We have done this thing in the previous code. Okay, minus 4 steps. Good. Good one. Minus 4. And then if I have written this minus 4, that means my wave is moving 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how I will collect this energy source? Okay, 8 steps. Fine. Good answer. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to run. Let's see. We have collected all 3 energy source. Now, what I will do here? How many steps I will move? Yes, I got one answer from Salton, 3 steps. Okay, fine. So I will select a block and I will write 3 steps. After that, according to 3 steps, my wave is here now. Now what I will do? Again, an answer which is turn right and then 3 steps. Okay, fine. Turn right and then 3 steps. Done. After that, if my wave is here, after turning right, he will collect this energy source. Minus 6. Okay, fine. Minus 6. Very good. Finally, I'm getting response from your side. Excellent. Excellent. Good work. Now, how I will collect this energy source? I will introduce this thing. This thing is the spaceship. Okay. Now, let's suppose if we are not able to count this empty space. Let's suppose we can collect this here, right? If I'm asking you to count how many steps I need to move from here to here, then I will not be able to count, right? So for the simplicity, we can use the grid. You can see this thing here. We can use the grid. So after inserting the grid, you can calculate how many steps you need to move. For now, my wave cannot move in this empty space. Spaceship will move 5 steps. Okay, spaceship 5 and then 4. I got an answer. Spaceship will move 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that was 4. Okay, 4. Good. Spaceship will move 4 steps. Then how many steps they will move? Okay, 4 steps. Good one. Very good. So now I have inserted a block 4. Okay. He is walking too slow. If you want to increase the speed, you can simply click here and you can see how fast my wave is moving. Now let's complete the level 11. Now in the knowledge review, he's saying that a spaceship move 1 step and spaceship will move 2 steps. How the spaceship can move. Okay, what I will do? Let's slow down the speed. What I need to write? My wave is heading to this direction, towards the spaceship. Any one of you would you like to answer? Yes, I got one answer. 4 steps, 2 steps. Okay, fine. And then spaceship, how many steps my spaceship will move? Again, answer. 2 steps the spaceship will move. Fine. And then what will happen? two steps to this direction, then two this. What will now? Now my spaceship in this direction and my wave is standing on this spaceship. Three. Okay, good. Very good, both of you. Wave step three. Let's try. Very good. So we have collected all three stars here, right? Now, okay, let me know how many levels you have performed. Pele, Salton, Eden, how many levels you have performed in your ICode? You can write it down in the chat. If you don't want to talk to me, then you can write it down in the chat. And if any one of you are having any difficulty in login process in your mail IDs, in this page, Blockly beginner page, you can let me know. Any one of you are having any difficulty in login process? I'm waiting. How many levels you all have performed? I hope I'm audible. Fine. So let's continue. Okay. I got one answer. Salton is saying that he has finished the first map. That's really good news. He has finished basic. Very good, Salton. Excellent. Okay. So now what I need to do here? Edit finish basic. Good. Very good. And do not move really fast, because when you have completed all the levels, then you have to wait for others to complete all the levels. Level 20. Good. So you all have completed basic levels. That's really great. I'm the only one who have not completed my levels. Please help me to complete my levels. Okay, what I need to do? My wave will move first. Wave step one. Good. Then how many steps spaceship will move? Two. Okay. Then spaceship will move two steps. After that, what to do? Can answer. Turn left. Okay, fine. What to turn? They will turn left or what? Spaceship will turn left. Okay, fine. And then spaceship five steps. Okay, fine. Let me calculate. One, two, three, four. I can see only four steps. Good. So you have corrected now four. Okay, then now I'm here. Turn right. Okay, fine. My spaceship will turn right. Then two steps. Okay, spaceship two. Then wave two. Okay, fine. Let's see. Will it work or not? I think it will not work, but we'll see. Because we have mentioned wave two. Okay. We have to mention wave minus two. Okay, someone have minus two. Good. So we have to mention minus two. We have collected all the stars here. Now I will play again. Now it is saying that they've done that. Okay, spaceship. We have done the movement. Now guide me, please. Guide me, please, for this level. Okay. Dave step -2. Fine. Let me select Dave step and then here -2. Okay, you are saying -2. Good. Spaceship 4. Okay, fine. Spaceship 4. Done. Then Dave step 2. Okay. So I have mentioned Dave step 2. Fine. So that means they will reach out to this spaceship, then he will move 1, 2, 3, 4. And then they will move 1, 2 steps. Okay, let's try. Good one. You all have collected all 3 stars in every level of the basic. Like you have completed 20 levels in the basic. So you have collected all 3 stars in every level. 3 steps. Oh, no. Okay, so that means there are few level in which we will not receive 3 stars. Fine. Dave step 3. You have mentioned Dave step 3. Fine. Done. Then then what to do with the spaceship? Turn right, turn right. Okay. Spaceship turn right. And then what you have mentioned? 5 steps. Okay. The spaceship will move 5 steps. That means first my Dave will reach out to this spaceship, then it will turn right and again turn right. That means the jet will be on the back side of this and this will move in this direction. Now calculate the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. Run. Okay. I would like to know something. Can I move my spaceship in the negative direction like how I'm moving my Dave in the -3 steps, -2 steps? So can I do with the spaceship or not? No. Okay, why? We will get any error or what? Or it will not work. It will work or not because I have not tried. You can see my screen. I have never tried spaceship will move -5 steps. So can we work on that or not? No. Fine. That means you have tried this thing. Okay. Now, what I will do, let me place the grid. How many steps I need to move? Okay, number 6, fine. Spaceship will move 6 steps. Then turn right. Okay, you're saying then after turning right, it will move 5 steps. Okay, then after that, what you do? Turn right, and then 10 steps. Okay, fine. Spaceship turn right, spaceship turn right, and spaceship will move 10 steps. Okay, let's try. Excellent. So today we have completed 15 levels. Okay. We have completed 15 levels, and I know you all have performed all 20 levels. But please make sure that you will revise this thing, and in which, I don't know in which code you are not getting all 3 stars, please try to get at least 2, or try to get 3 stars. Try to practice more, because in the coming class you are again going to tell me the code. Okay, you will help me to receive all 3 stars. Fine. Okay. I get something. Okay. So fine. I will see you on coming Monday. Okay. At the same timing. Till the time, bye bye. Practice more on the hackathon, because you have to perform your assessment as well. Okay. Bye bye. Bye everyone. You're welcome, dear. You're welcome.